Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. It's time to celebrate. Ta-da-da. We're doing it. We're doing a birthday challenge this year, guys. I don't think I did it last year because it was a little crazy and everything going on, but I'm doing it this year. So it's my birthday in August, August 9th, if you're wondering. So we're going to be celebrating all month long. So we're going to go from August 1st to August 31st. Just a month, because it's so simple. All I'm asking for, you guys, we're gonna have ATC and postcard challenge. Super simple. I would like you to send me a ATC in any style you like, your style, not my style, your style. I want something that makes you happy, the things that you like. I actually keep them, every single one that I ever receive, in a binder, and I've got them all. I've got extra pages available for yours too. So I'd love to get an ATC card from you, as well as a postcard from your location, meaning you can, anybody in the world can join. Just keep postage, consider the postage when you join, that will be more expensive overseas, what have you, but everyone is welcome to join. I would love a postcard from where you live or where you're from. Now, you don't have to purchase a postcard. If you would like to make one that represents your area, I'm fine with that too. I would just love to see something that speaks to where you're from. Now, extras are not necessary. Always appreciate it if you feel like it. It warms my heart. Anything that you would like to send, but that's not necessary at all. I'm going to have all the information, including my mailing address, in the description box, as well as all the rules spelled out once again. The grand prize, oh, you must be 18 or over. YouTube doesn't have anything to do with this. This is totally hosted by me at Tanya Crafts. There will be prizes. What are the prizes? My prizes, because I know you want to know, there are going to be two first place and a second place. Both of those winners, they will get to choose a journal from my Etsy page. They can pick any journal they want to, and I'm going to ship it to them. They have to be in the United States. I'm not going to ship elsewhere. If you are a winner and you're overseas and you want the journal, and you still want that journal, you can do that. I'll let you do that, but you're going to have to pay shipping. So that's an option if you want that. I don't want to do that necessarily because it's going to be pricey, and I hate to do that to somebody. But if that's what you want to do and you overseas and you are the winner, then you have that option. Okay, is that fair? I think so. Otherwise, I'll pay shipping here in the United States. You must be a subscriber to the channel, and I'm hoping that those of you who have a YouTube channel will share this challenge and giveaway so that we get more participants. I'm going to be keeping track of this guy for all the states. This is a chalkboard that I have, and I will be filling in the states as we get them. I'm hoping to get all 50 states. In fact, if we get all 50 states, I will add a third prize to that. How's that? There will be a third one if we get all 50 states. Now, I'll be marking on the sides here where we get from other countries if we do, so that you will be represented as well on our map. So anyways, we'll be doing that. If you win overseas, I'll do a $50 PayPal instead of the journal if you would prefer that. So anyways, that is the challenge starting now through August 31st. All of the information will be in the description box, and I'll be posting this flyer onto my posts and my community posts. So if you want to see that too, again, up close, you can. I think that's everything. Yep. Extras are not necessary. Create your own style and share a piece of who you are and where you're from. We're going to be celebrating. I'm so excited. So I hope that you guys will join in and send in an ATC card and a postcard. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or send me an email. My email is sidegigcrafts@gmail.com. So you're welcome to do that also. It's also listed in the description. So thanks so much, guys, for being a part of my YouTube community and for all the support that you've shown throughout the years. I am proud to be here with you and share in your crafty adventures every day. So thanks once again. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.